Okay guys, good day everyone. This is Kidos FX. I believe you're all doing good today. Alright, I have come with my new strategy. This is just a proof that this strategy works. Okay guys, just like I told you guys, the first condition that needs to be made. This is the first condition and this is the second condition. This is 1 hour time frame. Okay, just like you all know, I am the owner of this strategy. I can do whatever I want to do with the strategy. So I told you guys, you can only trade on the 15 minutes time frame, just like scalpers, because I believe some people don't really have time to trade 247. Okay, but this is 1 hour time frame because I like to trade using the higher time frame. Okay, but okay guys, so now I want to show you a proof of because that this strategy works. Okay, now I told you this is the first condition and this is the second condition that needs to be made. Actually guys, this trade, before I enter this trade somewhere here, I told you guys, whenever you see spikes down like this or a forced move like this, you don't enter such a trade, especially when using this strategy. So I waited for the market to retrace back to this level, then I noticed it's moving back to its potential direction. Then I took this trade all the way from this place and I set my stop loss here. Okay, because I don't want to reach too much of money, because from here to this place is too much. Okay, because I believe if this market breaks this high here, the projection is no longer valid. That is why I set my stop loss above this high here. Okay guys, so I enter a selling position from this place and I told you can swing with this trade. All right, I've been on this trade since 4 days or 5 days now. Okay guys, and everything has been working perfectly. Okay, I've been swinging on the sell. I just opened this 2 position today again. I open, okay, this is 3 position, 1 2 3. I just opened this position today, or because another condition we made here. I told you can zoom on the chart one time. So another condition we made here, actually I didn't took the signal earlier, then I wait for a retracement just like this, a retracement like this, then I notice it's reversing back, then I took my entry somewhere here. Okay guys, and this is my TP, because the reason why I want to take TP is because my indicator window 1 line has gotten to the overbought level. All right, you don't need to panic because I don't have the 10 level and the 19 level there. All right, so I just want to show you guys a quick I just want to summarize this for you guys to just know how the strategy works. This is my TP because I want to exit the trade, or because out of 2 of my condition to exit the trade, the first condition has been made here, so I want to exit it here. All right, since 5 days now. I'll just ask you to all know another condition we made here, but I wasn't in the market earlier. That is why I have to take this move. Then I set my stop loss somewhere here. That is 3 that I just took today, and this is my TP here. All right, I still have a position for this. I think that is just the proof, and let me show you guys the profit I have made so far. All right, I believe you can see my profits. These are my profit. Okay, just as you all know, the zero lot the minimum lot size for the boom and crash index is 0.20, and I opened this position with a 0.05 lot. Look at how much is my profit now. I have $23 profit going to $24 profit. All right, you don't have to check. I want you guys to ignore the jumping days and the jumping days profit. Okay, I'm currently speaking on behalf of the boom 1000 and the crash 500. Okay, all right, I just opened another position for the crash 500 now. I just did that now. Okay guys, so I set my stop loss above this high because my first condition were made here, and this is my second condition that's been made here. So I place a selling entry, and this is my stop loss here. Okay, according to this signal, guys, this market is still gonna retrace back to at least this place. Okay, then I will take another selling position. So that is how the strategy is. I just want to show you guys a proof. Okay, let me show you guys where I place my TP. Okay, this is my SL somewhere here, if you can see this very clear, and this is my TP. This is more or less like 1.3 ratio. Okay, I risked 1 ratio to get 3 ratio. All right, that is how it is for the strategy. I believe you can see my profit with 0.05 lot. Just as you all know, the lowest lot for the Premier Crash Index is 0.20, and I'm using 0.05 lot. Just imagine how much that could. I personally did this all because of the newbies, those that are scared of risking their money. I told you, you just have to stick to the rules. Okay, if you can stick to the rules and the condition on this strategy, it's gonna help a lot. All right guys, thank you so much. If it is your first time on this YouTube channel, please do make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another video concerning a strategy. Okay guys, I believe someone might ask, what is the strategy used for this jumping this? All right, the strategy is not yet ready. Okay guys, I don't want you guys, this trade is over a month now, this jump index, and the lowest for jump index is 0.01 lot size. So I just place this. All right, this is strategy for this is based on monthly analysis, and I believe as a newbie you don't want to do that because this is meant for the pro. It is meant for the professionals, those that knows how to swing with the trade. But as a newbie, you just want to scalp, take a little and exit, and just want to make sure something is entering your MT5 account every day by day. All right guys, you can always hit me up at KidosFX. And I know what you're thinking, because you want to say you uploaded a video and it didn't give us the setup for the strategy. All right, if you need a strategy setup, make sure you check the description below down this video, and you can as well click on the video provided on your screen now. Thank you. I still remain your boy. I love you guys. Goodbye.